So a well-known wrestler brings his Chevy S10 for a no-start condition. First thing I check is the battery. The battery passed 12.7 volts. Then I check the fuel pressure at 60 psi. That passed. Then check for spark. Did that spark up the coil but not see the spark plug? I informed the customer, who told me the captain rotor, so I changed it and the truck started perfectly.